Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the Q11 smartwatch. It is an outdoor style smartwatch with a Bluetooth call, sports and health functions. For personalization, the smartwatch is preloaded with watch faces, and you can download additional watch faces as well as custom watch faces or dials with the Access Fit app. As you can see here, it is preloaded with watch faces. On this video, we are going to explore the watch face section or the dial section. We'll have a sample download as well as the custom watch faces. So if you are interested to know more about the watch faces available for the Q11, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore the watch faces available for the Q11 smartwatch. The smartwatch is already preloaded with several watch faces. So let's check. Let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have at least 13 watch faces loaded to the Q11 smartwatch. It is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. So that is a very good feature for our Q11 smartwatch. You can download additional watch faces here in the Access Fit application. Just go to the dial section, go to the dial mall, select dial mall, and we have here the list of watch faces for the smartwatch. We have recommended. As you can see, all loaded. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about the new product listing? That's it. My dial downloaded. This is the section for downloaded watch faces. In the dial mall, we only have these watch faces. Very limited so far for our Q11. Although we already have at least 13 watch faces here, but the list of additional watch faces is very limited. Very disappointing. Okay, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's it. That's it for the available watch faces. Anyway, let's have a sample download. Again, we only have limited watch faces for the Q11. Tap on view, redeem now, use immediately. Let's see. It's now downloading. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. And we have here our watch face. Okay, very fast, very easy to download. But the only issue here, the only problem is it is very limited. Okay, so let's go with the DIY dial. So select a picture. So let's have this. Check. Adjust the time. Then change the color. You can change the color here. Then check. You can adjust the data. Date. Let's change it to pedometer. Then save and use. It's now pushing. Let's wait for it to complete its download. And we have here our custom dial or wallpaper, custom watch faces. Okay, I just don't like the color here. Cannot see the time. Anyway, It is working so far. We have the dial mode with the limited watch faces. Disappointing list or disappointing number of watch faces for our Q11. Only 8. If you want more watch faces for your Q11, well, we only have a limited number of watch faces here in the Lexus Fit app. My dial, and we have here the downloaded watch faces. So that's it for our demo for the Q11 watch faces. Very limited so far when it comes to the personalization or for the options on watch face section. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.